So as I mentioned at the beginning of the class, Kenra thrives in artistic influence, and they like to develop ways to help keep the stylist motivated, to help keep the stylist offer things that maybe they couldn't get somewhere else. But they also like to keep it simple for the stylist. Kenra knows that it's important for you to give your clients some new things, but also not take up a lot of your extra time. So with the 5 steps or less of formulation, they also have the elements of design. The elements of design never changes, but the different formulations that you can use or different partings you can take is what changes. And again, this is something simple that's 5 steps or less that you can incorporate in your clients, their already scheduled appointment time. That's not going to be an extra lot of work for you, but it's going to keep you trend setting and set you apart from other stylists. So with the elements of design, normally it's a series that they launch. It could be a 12-month series or a 6-month series. Currently it was a 12-month series this year, and it was focusing on our creative color collections. But again, you can be as technical or as creative with Kenra color as you'd like. So like with the creative cards that I gave you, this is again for our creative lines. However, you can switch it up and use whatever color formulation you're wanting to use. So again, it's these techniques, but use whatever formula you want to use. The elements of design is based on your foundation, which is 75%. So this is going to be like your base color. And then your parting that you take, which you notice with these. Some of them might be a heart-shaped parting. It's usually in the mohawk section, or a triangular parting, or a semicircle parting, just depending on which technique you're looking at. So your foundation is your base shade, anything outside of that section. And then in that section you're going to have an anchor, so it could be a highlight or low light. And then you're going to have an accent color, and this is going to be like 1 or 2 shades darker or lighter from your anchor color. And you're going to take your partings, and you're going to do usually you work kind of vertical in your section around the head. You're going to take your partings, your like 1/4 partings. You can do one and do a slice, and the next one you're going to do a skip slice, which is actually you take your slice and then take your weaving comb and just take a little piece out, which I can show you in more detail here in a minute. Take a little piece out for your skip slice. So this is something fun. Keep you creative, make your clients think, oh, that's different than your typical mohawk section. It's going to give you different results. Again, you can be as creative or as technical as you'd like to be. And this is also going to give you another option for another class. I came here today to teach you Discover Kenra Color, which is just kind of introducing you, keeping you, getting your knowledge of the color line. And then with your points that you earn, or you can earn more classes for more of a technical educator to come in and teach you more of these techniques. So something to keep in mind. And again, pretty easy, just follow these steps on the back.